Hello everyone. Have you ever come across situation like this before, where you try to boot your computer, and instead of your computer booting to the normal desktop level, you end up seeing this recovery, your PC device needs to be repaired, error code 0xc0000225. Yes, today I'm going to show you how you can resolve this issue right now. So just follow me as we resolve this issue together. So what you want to do is you want to restart your computer. Yes, you want to restart your computer and you want to go to your BIOS settings. My BIOS settings is F1. So I click on F1. If I press F1, it takes me to the BIOS settings right here. So I want to go to my startup. So when you are at the boot menu, you want to make sure that your hard drive is your first priority order. So now I'm going to move my hard drive to the first priority, which is this one, ATA HDDO Toshiba. This is my hard drive. So I'll move it up and I'll make sure that my USB drive is my second boot order. Now I'll go back and save and exit changes. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to install a new window using a flash drive. I'm going to install a new window using a flash drive. Now let's insert a flash drive into the computer. Start a flash drive into your PC and make sure that Windows is already installed on your flash drive. Now you want to save and continue. We want to make sure we boot it from our USB drive. So go to choose F12 to choose the temporary startup device. Now when I hit F12, this is the boot menu. Now I want to locate my USB mass storage device and click on it. You give it time for the setup or the startup to display. Now I'm going to install a new operating system on this laptop right away. So the video will be too long, so I'll have to cut it short and speed the process. So now the operating system has successfully been installed on this computer right now. As you can see, it's starting service. It's getting things ready. So that error message, error code 0xc00025 did not display anymore. We have successfully gotten rid of that error code. So let's proceed. As you can see, getting device ready, 1% up to 3%. So once the device is ready, I'll also come back and show you guys the progress. So this is how you will resolve such a situation or such a problem with error code 0xc0000225. So this is how you resolve it. If you don't understand the video, you want to go back again and watch it over and over until you understand how to resolve such an issue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to this channel, or wherever you find a video, only subscribe to the channel and share this video with those that might be having the same problem. And don't forget to let us know your thoughts below on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video.